Myanmar operates de jure as a unitary assembly independent republic under its 2008 constitution. The Economist Intelligence Unit rated Myanmar an authoritarian regime in 2019. This is following the military having given up some, but not all, power following the dismantlement of the Burmese military dictatorship, which ruled from 1962 to 2011. The history of Myanmar, formerly called Burma, began with the pagan kingdom in 849. Although each kingdom has constantly been at war with their neighbors, it was the largest Southeast Asian empire during the 16th century under the Tenggu dynasty. The thousand-year line of Burmese monarchy concluded with the Third Anglo-Burmese War in 1885. It was administered as a province that was part of the British India until 1937. The British Burma began with its official recognition on the colonial map that marks its new borders containing over 100 ethnicities. It was named Burma after the dominant ethnic group Bamar, who makes up 68% of the population. During World War II, a coalition that mostly consisted of the Bamar ethnic group volunteered themselves to fight alongside the Japanese in hopes of overthrowing the occupying British forces. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.